Hey, so we're here at the Hyatt Zilara Cap Cana, and we are at the buffet and going to check out the dinner menu. Doing lots of videos from this location this week. If you are liking the videos, be sure to like them and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the fascinating new information about this brand new resort. Okay, so let's check out the buffet at this Hyatt Zilara Cap Cana dinner buffet. Lots of seafood here, mussels and shrimp, we've got tuna, skewers of prawns, that would be salmon, I guess, and lots of vegetables. And of course, now that seafood that we just saw, they can fry up. They've got a couple of different sauces, Creole and a seafood sauce. And they'll fry that up here or over here for you. Also some vegetables. Couple of different meat items. As you can see, they've got a rotisserie going as well. So you can do the rotisserie items and enjoy all of these accompaniments. Take another look at that rotisserie grill. Looks pretty amazing. Over here we have pasta station made to order. Pomodoro, Alfredo, Bolognese sauce. All the accompaniments. Cooks it up. Hola! And then over here we've got a bunch of different oils and balsamic vinegars. Wow. Thyme, sriracha, sweet chili sauce, various balsamics, something with, I can see thyme in there, looks amazing. All your different sauces, a little bit of onion bread and then some flatbread. Make your own salad station. Of course, the staff here are ready and able to assist. This is a green bowl. Now, if you've got any food allergies, no problem at all because everything is separated. And if you're concerned, they can do a special menu for you. Here we have chicken salad, cheese and olive salad, bacon and potatoes and mixed vegetables. And then some hot items, quinoa, brown quinoa, I've never seen that before, chickpeas, lentils. You can tell this is something I dine on frequently. Not. French fries, my thing, like pizza too. Okay, what have we got over here? We have, beef, rice. Those ribs smell amazing. My mouth, sorry, I can barely talk right now. My mouth is watering. Looks so yummy. Potatoes look very well seasoned. They are not afraid to use spices here, and by spices I mean flavor, not necessarily heat. Guacamole, so sort of a Mexican station. Oh, ceviche station.
Yeah, ceviche.
Is it good?
Ooh.
Excelente. Over here, what do we have? Probably soup of some sort. Not sure. Oh, beef soup, mushroom soup. That sounds yummy. And of course, we've got a Parmesan wheel, so you can have your own fresh grated Parmesan cheese to accompany. Beef lasagna, Alfredo sauce, pasta with cheese, different kinds of sauce, calzones. Beef with, broccoli cheese, and then some calzones over here. Bacon pizza, shrimp pizza. I think this one is just a roasted vegetable pizza. Looks delicious. Fresh fruit as always. Dominican Station, wow. Wow, 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 look at this. Holy smokes, so that's sort of your carvery station for the evening. Ham, I guess. Looks good. Chicken. Oh, and then they got croquettes and plantains. I'm not sure what those are, and empanadas. So they'll deep fry those for you as you like. And then Asian station, so we've got a little bit of vegetables here. Oh, nice Actually, really nice looking salads. Bread station is to die for here. Like, look, it just keeps going. Going and going and going. So that's brilliant. Now let's check out the desserts. So here we've got jello-y kind of custardy type things with fruit. Oh, this chocolate station kills me. We're gonna go slow on this one, folks. Oh, this looks so cute and so yummy too. And then different gems. Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at these ice creams. Macadamia, caramel, vanilla, chocolate, rum raisin. Don't know what that one's called, but it looks good. Strawberry, chocolate, yum, yum, yum. Now, if you've watched any of my other videos, you know that this place is not to be done without the finale, the grand finale of desserts. Wait for it. Wait for it. Here we go. Oh, actually, sorry, I'm wrong. This is even better than I thought. Okay, here's some desserts here. Sweetie desserties. Check out these cakes. Oh my goodness. Okay, like right there. That one right there, right? Am I wrong?
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you? And then, of course, you can have some fruit if you decide to bypass all that cake. So check it out. Enjoy the videos. Hit a like if you like. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.